Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please guys don't forget to subscribe, like my video, comment down below, and turn on notification for more video. So guys, today there's something I really want to talk about, so I'll be thinking about this, for a while now. The main reason why I've been thinking about this for a while now, it's not because of the major thing. It's not because of I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about this issue for a while. It's because of I've been seeing people doing this. I've been keeping, let me just say, I've been keeping up to date with these things, because each time I am closer to some people, I always feel this smell, I always feel this thing. It always happens to many people. I can say 80% of human beings in this world, it happens to them, and it's true. If you think I'm lying, take a lot of this. What I'm saying is wrong. I just want you guys to take a lot of what I'm saying, observe what I'm saying, and you will see that it's true. It's true. It happens to 80% of human beings that live on this earth. So what I'm talking about is that hygiene. Hygiene is what I'm going to talk about today. It's very important. Hygiene is very important. The main reason why I'm talking about this, there are many people, they don't really know the reason why hygiene is very important. We are not animals, we are human beings. We eat, we sweat, we shit, and we urinate. So we are supposed to be taking care of all our body. It doesn't matter. Like me, I have a pimples. I've been working on my pimples since all these years, and they say it's acne. So I've been working on this since all these years. It has not, they have not found a solution to it. But I wash my face many times in a day. I can't say I wash my face many times in a day. But since all this year, I still have this. It hasn't solved. It hasn't resolved the problem. It's always there with me. So I've done a lot of tests. I've gone to all different kind of people to solve this problem. They have prescribed. Sorry guys, because Italian language is disturbing my English language. So that is the reason why at times I find it difficult to pronounce some things in English. So they have prescribed many drugs for me, many cream, many other things that I can use just to wipe away my I can use to treat my pimples. They haven't worked. Or my acne, they haven't worked. I've tried this, I've tried a lot of things. They have not worked. And the last test I did, so I was so happy that the doctor that did the last test just she explained everything to me. She told me the truth. She said I shouldn't be worried about my acne. I shouldn't be worried about my pimples, that they will be gone with time. So let's leave that for now. That will be another day. I will talk about that for another day and explain to you guys how people react to people that have acne or people that have pimples, which is not supposed to be this way. It's very wrong and it's wrongful. They are not supposed to be acting to people that have pimples and people that have acne this way. So what I'm talking about today is hygiene. I want to talk about. So hygiene. Ever since I've been watching people. Whenever I'm sitting close to people, the first thing I always observe is teeth. Hygiene is all about full body. Our full body bathing is hygiene. You brush your teeth is hygiene. You wash your private part is hygiene. You wash your armpit is hygiene. So you wash your bum is also hygiene. Many people don't do this. Especially there are many people when they go to toilet, they don't wash. They only clean. It's not clean. When you use tissue paper to clean your yansh or to clean when you use tissue paper to clean your tongue or your bum or your yansh, whatsoever way you can understand it, it's not clean. You have to use water and soap to clean it whenever you go to bathroom. There are many people, they don't wash under their balls. They don't wash their dick. Their private bath. This is unfair something. There are many people I've been close to, I will see closer to them, they'll be smelling. Even when they talk, they'll be smelling. At least wash your teeth. At least if you are not washing your teeth, at least once in a day, it's okay. You know, at times I wash my teeth once in a day. At times I wash my teeth twice in a day. You know, at least once in a day. You know, it's better than some people. Many people, they don't wash their teeth. They what do they call this thing? In Italian language, they call it colutorio. I don't know this before. I knew it when I got to Italy. It's a liquid something. They only use it to rinse their mouth. They only use it to rinse their mouth, only just to clean their mouth. Not even clean. Use it to soak your mouth. What is that? You know, when you eat, there are some dirty things. You know, when you sleep till daybreak, even ordinary day, when you brush your teeth in the morning, you eat morning, afternoon, evening, and your teeth must be dirty. You have to wash it the evening before you go to bed, or in the next day. So there are many people, they don't do that. That's for teeth. They don't wash their teeth. They don't know how important it is when you wash your teeth. You breathe easily. I mean, you feel when you are closer to a person, you speak freely. You know, there are some beautiful girls and some boys out there. They don't wash their teeth. They don't brush their teeth. You know, that is awful something. That is unfair. Sorry, that is unfair something. You know, I don't understand how people can't even take good care of themselves. And that's what that. Okay, let's talk about the bathing. You know, I've seen some people. They said during winter time. You know, now winter is coming, and you know, we are in September. It's September right now. Winter is coming. So the other day I was with a friend. We were just talking, just like that. I touched this person. His skin was peeling, and he's an Italian person. I'm not judging. Please don't think I'm judging. I'm not judging anybody. I ain't judging anybody. So I'm just saying the truth. So if you think I'm lying, please take a look of what I'm talking about. You will see that I'm not lying. So when I touched his body, they were two. They were gay. They were a boy and a girl. When I touched the guy's body, his skin was peeling. I was like, why is your skin peeling? He was looking at me. So when we were just arguing the thing, the guy said, same thing happened to me. Then I asked why. They were laughing. So I now asked them, oh, you guys don't bath? They were laughing. Later they told me during summer they don't bath. They don't bath too much. They bath maybe at least 2 times a week, once in a week. I was like, man, damn, what are you telling me? Come on, wake up from your sleep. Wake up, guys. What are you telling me that you bath 2 times in a week just because we are in winter? If you are in winter, it doesn't matter. You have to bath. You have to take your bath every day. You motherfucker, what is the hell you telling me about? They were laughing. They were like, yes, we are used to it. This is what we do. We don't like taking our bath during winter time. They asked me, do you bath every day? I told them, at times I bath twice. Whether it's winter or summer, I take my bath twice in a day. It's important. You have to feel good. At times when I don't bath, I feel smelly. I feel like, I don't know how we explain it to you guys, how I feel if I don't take my bath. So I just have to be straightful, and I have to tell you guys the truth. That is why I'm saying this. I was like, no, you don't have to. You have to take your bath no matter what. What does it mean that it's because it's summer, it's winter, you don't have to bath? Man, you have to take your bath. It's very, very important. That is what we call hygiene. You have to take good care of yourself. Because your skin needs care. You know? So what the hell are you telling me? There are many people, they have nice house, they have nice cars, they can't take good care of themselves, they can't bath, they can't brush their teeth, they can't wash their balls, they can't wash their pennies. What the hell are you telling me? You are telling me that you are a human being? You value material things more than your body? Bullshit. So this is what I want to talk about. You know, when I was they were laughing. I said, no, bullshit. Hold on. You don't have to laugh. I'm saying the truth. What I'm saying is true. I'm not laughing here, man. He was like, no. They were like, no. This is true. I'm telling you the truth. Majority of them, they don't bath. This is what they do during winter. I was like, okay, no problem. I will ask many other, and I asked few other Italians. They told me the same thing. They said, yeah, it's true. There are many of them, they don't bath during winter, especially. Even summer, they don't bath. They don't take good care of themselves. There are many beautiful Italian girls you will see, but when you get closer to them, they are smelly. I'm not judging. Please don't judge me. I'm just right here just to say the truth. The reason why I'm saying this is just for everyone to understand how important hygiene is. Hygiene is very important. When you take good care of yourself, you'll be how will I say, you'll be smiling all the time. You'll be free to talk to people. You know, there are so many many Africans. There are so many Africans that don't take good care of themselves, that don't bath. I don't want to mention them right now. We'll be talking about this. You know, I just want to make this video short, but this video is getting longer. But I'm sorry, guys. I just have to say this. There are many Africans. I'm an African. I've met a lot of Africans. You know, when we be closer to them, their teeth will be smelling. You know, will be smelling armpits and all that. They don't wash their clothes. They don't. Man, bullshit. That's what one of my friends say. Say bullshit, not bullshit. It's bullshit. That's what my friend is saying. Because he said that when something is too much, when people don't understand, just something like ABCD, they don't know what to, you get used to it, you call it bullshit. So this thing, I'm getting annoyed. Why people can't easily take good care of themselves? You know, this, I think, I don't really know what to call it. I've met a lot of Africans. I don't want to mention it, but if you want me to mention them, or a lot of African countries that don't bath, that I've met here, that don't take good care of themselves. But I don't know about their country, but I've met here in Europe that don't take good care of themselves. They'll be smelling, they can't wash themselves. You know, there are times, let me just say a little thing to you guys. If you can't really, I know it's hard. There are times, it's hard for somebody to go to bathroom and just take his or her bath. I know, I understand, I can feel that. It's not that I don't understand what is happening out here. It's normal. At times, for me to go to the bathroom and bath and take my bath at times, it's hard for me. At times, I just have to say, yeah, let me do this. I don't have to waste time. I will just do it and get out of there. Do you know when you take your bath, when you use water to wash your body, you will get more energy. You will be more engaged in anything you are doing. Your body will be activated. Don't make me speak what I don't want to speak, man. So this is bullshit. When I see people doing this, you know, I understand I'm a human being just like you guys. Like at times it's hard for you to take your bath. It's normal. Especially when you come back from work, you are very tired. That's why I love one of my guys. He said, whenever I come back from work, the first thing I do is to take my bath. He said, because I know when I sit on the chair or when I start operating my phone, for me to live there, it will be hard for me. He said that is this one when he said that is the reason why when he come back or get back from work, the first thing he did or he just first of all take off his clothes, his phone, he just take it off, straight to the bedroom. He will first of all take his bath, whether he's hungry or not. He will first of all take his bath because he knows that when he didn't do that the first time, maybe he stopped. It will be hard for him to go to the bedroom and take his bath. So the reason why I'm saying this today, guys, is because many people, they don't understand the full meaning of hygiene. So that's the reason why I'm just trying to make few people to understand this, because I've been saying this. I just want to at least talk about this a little, just to educate people, guys, because it's normal. I know everybody have their life to live, but it's not good for human being to be smelling like shit and all that piece of trash. It's not good. We are not trash. We just have to understand the full meaning of human being. The responsibility of a human being is big, so we have to be responsible. Look nice. Take care of yourself. Do more hygiene. It's good. It's very important. Take care of, especially if you can't. Let me say, for example, someone that cannot bath. Especially, there's something that I want to tell you guys. If you cannot take your bath, maybe twice in a day, but before you go to bed, don't forget to wash your dick. Don't forget to wash your dick. Wash under your balls. There's something I really want to tell you guys also. Shave your balls. Shave your armpit. It's very important. Do you know why? Also, shaving of your dick, or shaving of your prick, or sorry guys, or shaving of your penis, or shaving of your dick. Let me just say shaving of, guys, do you know why I'm saying this? Shaving of your dick will also make your dick look longer. We also make your dick look smoother. Don't take this as a joke. Don't think I'm crazy and all that. I know what I'm saying because I shave my dick. I know what I'm talking about. Whenever I shave my dick will look fresher. It will look longer. It will look beautiful. Let me put it that way, so I don't have to say more about it. Beautiful, no? I think it's empty. You know. So guys, we just have to wake up from our sleep and start doing more hygiene. It's very important because hygiene is good for our health. You know, Wake up, guys. Seeing some people scratching their balls all the time, scratching their dick all the time, it makes me annoyed. You know, at times some people with some guys, they'll just be scratching their dick, scratching. What the fuck? Scratching their buttocks, scratching their boots. Man, there are some guys also doing the same thing. Man, at times I will just, and when I observe those things, when I see all those things at times, I will just be like, man, what are you doing? Because do you know why? Because some people don't really know the reason why. Do you know the full meaning of when you call something trash, when you call something dirty? Do you know the quality, the quantity? Let me say the quantity and the quality of dirty that is in our body. Our body produces dirty whether you are sweating or not. As far as you are a living being or a living soul, you have your body produces dirty. So what the doctor is telling me, when something is dirty, do you know what will happen to your body? You will be scratching your body will be inching you. You know, and when you scratch that place, when you get injured, when you scratch that place and you get injured, do you know what will happen to you? You are contacting an infection, which is not good for your health. So we have to wake up and start doing more hygiene. Brush your teeth, wash your face in the morning. You know, if you can't do more in the morning, at times when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do, I brush my teeth, then I wash my dick. Hey, because it's very important for me. At times when I'm even walking, I'll feel like I'm sweating. At times when I'm walking also, feel like when I'm sweating, maybe when I'm taking break, I'll go and bath. I'll go and bath at my working place because it's very important. At times when I feel that, at times there's something that always happens to me at my working place because my work is not easy. I haven't talked about my work. I'll be talking about my work very soon. My work is not that easy. At times when I'm working, especially during summer, when I'm working, when I'm sweating a lot, my body will be inching me. So when we take break, I will go and bath. I will just take bath. When I take my bath, I'll be okay. So I'm just trying to tell you guys, it's not that I'm heavy or I'm trying to say or I too know. No. It's not because I knew a lot or I just want to talk about this just to have followers or just have to have you. No. Because this is what I'm seeing every day. So guys, please like my video and don't forget to turn on your notification for more video, subscribe and comment down below. So guys, please, I just want you guys to leave comment. Anybody that will see this video, anybody that watch this video, please don't forget to comment down below in anything if I'm lying or if I'm saying the truth, because I know I'm saying the truth because this is what I'm seeing. I see this every day. I see this every day, especially young people. They don't want to take good care of themselves and you want to have a nice girl. Yes, I have a friend. I don't want to talk about this so that the video will not be long. I'll be talking about this thing in the next video. Take good care of yourself and stay blessed. Stay out of drugs. You know, stay out of drugs. If you don't have what you are doing, instead of going out there to be selling drugs or smoking drugs, just go inside your room, go and carry book and be reading. Read more. Motherfucker. Take good care of yourself. Don't make me look like you like I'm an idiot.